lecture we will learning about the loops, right? So my voice is audible to all. Kindly confirm, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me present my screen. Is my screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in today's lecture we will discussing about the loops. Loops. Why we are using loops in Java? Anyone knows? Yes, guys. Why we are using loops?
Condition of
For repetition of execution,
What?
for repetition of execution,
Repetition of what?
execution of the program,
Right. Other thing. Question is why we are using loops in Java? Why we are using loops?
सर कंडीशन के लिए यूज करते हैं लूप्स का
Okay. So we are using loops in Java for two purpose. So there are for the repetition of code, to avoid the repetition of code. By using loops we can avoid the repetition of code, and by using loops we can reduce the length of code. So that's why we are using the loops in Java. So I am writing here why we are using loops in Java. So answer for this question is, the first one is to avoid the repetition of code. So this is the first, and to reduce the length of code. So this is the second reason we are using loops in Java, to reduce the length of code, right? So for that purpose we are using loops in Java. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I am taking here one example for that. For example, here I am taking one class. Class name is A here, and in that I am taking main method as well. Okay. And suppose I have want to print the high message in 10 times, right? Suppose for that how I can write to print the high in console 10 times. I have to write high in 10 times, right? In system.out.println, right, guys? So like that I have to write the high, to print the high 10 times. I have to write high in 10 times, right? So this is the lengthy approach, and for using this our code get lengthy, right? Our code length should increases. Without using loop we are writing this, right? So without using loops. Suppose I want to write the or I want to print the hi message 10 times. So for that I have to write the system.out.println in that hi, like that I have to write 10 times, right? But by using loops, how we can write the same? So by using loops here, same example I am writing by using loops here. Suppose class A is I am taking here, then main method is there, and I am here declaring one integer here I equals to 1, and how many times I have to write the I. So suppose I want to write the I 10 times, so for that I have to use while loop for writing. Here I am giving the condition I is less than equals to 10, and I am printing here hi, right? So if we execute this program, we will get the same output as per our previous example, right? So this program and this program will be same, but difference is here our code of length get reduced. Code of length get reduced. Why our code of length get reduced? Because of we are using here loops, right? We are using here while loop, so that's why our length of code get reduced, right? So for that purpose we are using the different type of loops in Java. So how many types of loops in Java are there? So we will see how many types of loops in Java.
Three types.
So types of loops. So first loop is while loop. Second one is do while loop, and third one is for loop. So that three loops are important for QA, are important for QA, and this loop are we are using in while writing the script or writing code. So are important for QA person or tester. So there are other loops also there in the Java, but we are not going to learn that loops. Only we are going to learn this is very important, and for loop is very important because frequently we are using the for loop while writing the code or creating the script, right? So this,
Sir, hello, excuse me, sir.
yes,
So what is the second, sir? Second one?
do while loop,
What is do while look? Okay, sir.
do while will
Sir, yeah, I can't understand your lighting, please. So
I will
sorry for say.
write. Okay, first is
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I request you, sir,
yes,
please write all types of loops.
all types of.
All types of loops.
Loops.
I will write while loop. This is do while loop, for loop, and last one is for each loop. So this is the four types of loop are present in Java. Hope this is clear, guys.
Excuse me, sir. Is the four types we have now in Java, sir? Loops
Yes,
in only four types we have now loops, sir.
yes.
Okay, okay, done, sir.
Other might be there, but I only know four types. Okay. So We'll see one by.
Okay, done, sir.
Okay, okay. First one is while loop. So what is while loop? Where we are using while loop? So here uh, we are using the while loop, or we are executing the while loop when the statements of loop can be executed many number of times. Means until and unless the condition is false. Means while loop are using the condition we are using the while loop. So how can we use the while loop? First of all, I write the definition of while loop when we are using the while loop. So here I am writing what is while loop. So here statements of loops can be executed many number of times until and unless condition is true. So this is nothing but the while loop. So what it means? So suppose I am taking here one condition here. Suppose for understanding purpose I am writing here. First of all, I write the syntax of while loop here. How we can write the while loop? So for that I am writing syntax. So here this is the while, and in bracket we have to write the condition for while loop, right? Curly brace is open, then system dot out dot println. Here we are writing statement and curly brace open. So this is the syntax for while loop, right? Hope this is clear, guys, for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, I am taking one example here for understand the what is while loop. For example, I am taking here. So I want to print star 10 star here, suppose. So what is my condition here? I want to print 10 star, right? That is nothing but star. I want to print the 10 star. So how, by using the while loop, how can I print the star here? So I am taking one class for that under any package. Suppose class name is I am taking A. Then for running the class, main method is mandatory here. So I am also taking main method here. Then I am declaring here one variable here, integer I equals to 1, and I am using while loop here, right? So under what is our syntax for while loop here? So while, and under bracket we have to give the condition. So what is our condition here? We have to print the 10 star, right? So for that already I am declaring integer I here, I equals to 1, right? So I am giving condition here. So I is less than or equals to 10. This is my condition, right? And what I have to print? So system dot out dot println, I have to print the 10 star, right? So here I am taking the star, right? and I have to use here the increment operator here, I plus plus. Why this is I have to take this increment operator? So suppose I am taking I equals to 1 here, right? So what is the use of that increment operator? So here the condition here the after writing while loop, the our JUM check for the condition here. JUM check here I is less than or equal to 10, and uh, then JUM goes for this increment operator. This is the increment operator, right? So what is our condition? This loop will execute when the condition gets satisfied or condition gets true, until and unless the condition is true. Suppose here in JVM goes for I plus plus, that is nothing but 2. The our condition, what is our condition here? I is less than equals to 10. So 2 is less than equals to 10. This is true. So our in our console we got the second star here, right? Then also JVM check for condition and increment 1 here. So I plus plus here 3 is increased by 1, so we will get the 3. So here also our condition is true, because what is our condition? I is less than equals to 10, so it is also true. Then like that also JVM checks for condition next and goes for increment operator. So here I plus plus is 4, that's also true. So like that, how many times the condition is true? So 9 times or 10 times we have got the 10 stars. So in our output we will get the out 10 star here. So hope this is clear, guys. Everyone got this?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, why to take I plus plus?
So this is the increment operator, because uh, we have to increase the our integer value by 1 for satisfying our condition. Because what is our condition? What we have to print here? We have to print 10 times star here, right? So that's why we are using the increment operator here, I plus plus. Means what is the use of this increment operator? It will increase the value by 1. Suppose here I is, what is the initial value of I here? 1. So in condition here I, first I will take I is a 1, right? Then after that the increment operator will increase the next level I plus plus, that is nothing but the first I is 1, 1 plus 1, that is nothing but the 2, right? So like that the until the condition is false, uh, so up to this the increment operator will perform that operation. So this is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
if I will change the condition like I is equal to greater than 10,
I is
I is equal to greater than 10,
I equals to
I is equal to greater than 10. मतलब I want to change the condition where less than equal to 10 है ना.
हाँ
I want to I want to give the condition I greater than equal to 10.
I greater than equals to,
Then
so that already I written here na, I less than greater than or equals to 10.
and less than,
I is greater than equals to 10.
yes.
So in that
Then
case your output get changed na.
it is it is also true na.
What?
I I greater than equal to 10, it is also true or not?
Okay, we will execute the both program. We are checking the both condition while
It will, yeah, it will print
Okay,
only one
okay, sir.
star.
okay.
I is equal to 10, na? So it will print only one star.
Yes,
I think so.
we'll see in our Eclipse.
I think it is an infinite loop, sir.
So there, in that case, our condition got false, na.
Yeah.
So, there is nothing. There is no anything is printing in console, or only one star will get in the console. Let's see what is our output we are getting. Creating package here, that is loops package. I am creating one class. I am taking while loop. Right, this is my class name. So what is mandatory here? We want for run the class, we need main method here, right? So I am taking main method as well. Then I am giving one condition here, integer I equals to 1.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I have no doubt. You have no methods is there. Is the class method, is the static method, is public class method. Is also is a limited method, sir. Is also so many methods in Java, sir.
Can't get your question. Can you please repeat?
Mm. Okay, done, sir. And I mean, we put it the in programming. We writing a program, sir. Example program. We write it.
Uh,
Main method program. Main method example. That was the A is the limited. Sir, methods is not unlimited.
anyone got this question? Please let.
He is saying, actually, he is saying that there are only limited methods or functions or unlimited functions. So methods are, we are creating methods as per our requirement.
Yes.
So there are
So
lot of
we can create the number of methods as per our convenience. So regular method we can create any number of time. There is no limit. We can create multiple methods in a program, but there is only one method is present in whole program, because main method
yeah,
is only
and
one. But regular method,
main method is only one.
yes, main method
Main
is only
method.
one, but regular methods are number of times, means multiple regular methods are there present in the program. We can create the multiple methods, regular method, static as well as non-static. Hope this is clear, Shivaji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So here I am taking the condition here. I am taking while here. So my condition is I is less than equals to. In that condition, what I have to print? I want to print the star, right? And for that, what is mandatory here? I have to use the increment operator here. So uh, I will execute the program. So let's see what we will get. Can you see my console? We are getting the 10 star here, right? So here is my console, the 10 star. So what happened here? The JVM check for condition here. Suppose I condition is true. Until and unless the condition is true, then up to this the only while loop will executed or perform, and if condition is got false, then JVM stop execution, right? So while loop is only depends on the condition only, right? Hope this is clear, guys. Here who is telling suppose we are taking here I is greater than or equals to 10. So in that case what we will get in the console, let's see. The console we are not getting anything because here the condition is false.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Sir, the increment is start from 10, sir.
Increment
Increment start from 10, sir, number.
no, increment start from 1 na.
Yeah, it is error, sir. Now, if we initialize the value 1, instead of 1, we can use 10.
Yes, then
Then it will initialize to infinity loop, sir.
yes, in that case the our condition is true na. So in that case our program get executed here.
Sir,
So
sir, can you try once if you use 10 initial value instead of 1?
yeah,
Then it will print single star. Well,
No, sir, it will go infinity times. I think.
yes, that's the reason it's not printing right.
Yeah.
that's the reason na. The condition we are giving that condition. That's why. Okay, guys, clear.
Hello, sir.
Try another program
Sir.
at your own. Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shivaji, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, Shivaji, you are audible. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shivaji, tell me.
Yes, that's right. If you use I minus minus, then you can get it.
Please wait. Maybe sir has not network.
Shivaji,
So
you can rejoin.
it's
Your voice
please
is
wait.
clear, but
Sir, your voice is cracking down.
my voice is cracking for everyone. Yes, guys. My voice is not clear. Okay, so let's move forward further. So second loop in Java is, which is our second loop, guys? So here for while loop.
Rahul, your voice is not hearing.
Okay.
We're not getting your voice.
1 second, guys.